Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Caramilk Blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to melt your butter and white chocolate together until they are fully combined. You can do this over a saucepan of simmering water or in the microwave, whichever way works best for you. Then you can add in your light brown sugar and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. Usually you would use white sugar, but I wanted to use brown sugar to add that more caramel flavour. Then go ahead and add in all of the eggs and just whisk until it's fully incorporated. You will find that the mixture becomes looser, but it should be smoother and glossier in colour and consistency. Don't forget to add in your vanilla and just whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which are the salt and the flour, followed by the white chocolate chips, and then add in some Caramilk chocolate. Roughly chop yours if you really want to, but I left mine quite whole. Then just fold everything in using a spatula. This gives you more control and prevents you from severely over mixing the mixture. Just mix until you have no traces of a single ingredient. Then take your 9-inch square cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour in all of your Caramilk Blondie batter, getting as much in there from the bowl as possible. You can then use the same spatula just to spread and level it out so it bakes consistently. You can always use a cranked or an offset spatula or palette knife if you really want to, but I'm just using the same one. Then I take this golden blonde chocolate spread that I brought from M&S, as it's the same sort of taste, warm it up a little bit in the microwave and then add dollops on top of the Blondies just to get as much of that mixture swirled around as possible. You can add more or less, it's really up to you. Then take a knife and just swirl it all the way around the pan, and you want to get a fair distribution all the way around. So once you've got the chocolate spread swirled throughout the batter, you can then go ahead and place it into the oven. I will leave all the baking times and temperatures you will need in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So once your Blondies are baked, you can put a skewer into the centre and it should come out clean. Once they're out of the oven, you don't want to allow them to cool at all. Place your chocolate on top, so I'm just placing chunks of Caramilk bar on top and then scattering over some white chocolate chips. You don't have to do this, but it's an optional finish, and I thought, why not enhance them further by adding as much chocolate as we possibly can. Once the Blondies are fully decorated, you can allow them to cool. I like to place mine into the fridge, and this helps them firm up, and it helps to make it denser, fudgier, and just easier to cut later on. So when it comes to slicing up the Blondies, you can cut them however you like, but I went with 9 generous portions, so they're more square. You could go with 8 more rectangular, or whatever suits you, and just make sure that you cut in straight lines, not like how I did. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there, as I am trying to be a bit more active during the month of December. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.